Do you fancy winning tickets? I'm talking VIP tickets to the British Grand Prix this year at Silverstone. I can even see you saying yes. Wow, the Carfulan Group are giving these away.
We absolutely are, Lindsay. They're really easy to win. All you've got to do is visit the Carfulan stand at MACH 22 this year.
So before we find out how you can enter, what's on the stand?
Well, what's not on the stand, Lindsay? We've got all our 4 brands from the Carfulan Group exhibiting there. We've got OGP UK, the best in metrology equipment, SYS Systems, the best again in 3D printing technologies. We've got Zola UK, again the best in tool presetting technologies, and Vici Vision, the best in turn part measurement.
And absolutely the best prize at the show. Wow. So, I mean, you can win, well, you've got Prosecco, you're going to be full, you've got a great viewpoint. How does everyone enter?
It's really, really simple. All you've got to do is visit us at the stand this year for your chance to win these amazing tickets, or hit the link below in this video.
Can't wait. Can I win? No.
No.
No. Good luck.